Is your Fitbit Luxe battery suddenly draining faster than usual? Let's explore the common culprits behind this issue. First, excessive use of features like continuous heart rate tracking, always on display, and frequent notifications significantly impacts battery life. The Luxe's smaller battery capacity compared to other Fitbit models also makes it more susceptible to noticeable drain. Additionally, environmental factors like extreme temperatures can affect battery performance. Finally, software glitches or outdated firmware might be contributing to the problem, causing background processes to consume more power than intended. We will now look at fixing this issue. Now let's troubleshoot and fix the battery drain on your Fitbit Luxe. Start by disabling the always-on display feature in the Fitbit app settings. This feature keeps the screen on constantly, which significantly drains battery. Reduce the frequency of heart rate tracking to normal instead of every second. Continuous monitoring uses more battery than periodic checks. Minimize the number of app notifications pushed to your device. Each notification lights up the screen and consumes battery power. Restart your Fitbit Luxe by connecting it to the charging cable and pressing the button 3 times. This can resolve temporary software issues causing battery drain. Ensure your Fitbit device is running the latest firmware through the Fitbit app to resolve any software bugs that may be causing the battery drain. If the problem persists, try factory resetting your Fitbit Luxe. Note that this will erase all data, so back up important information first. As a last resort, contact Fitbit support if the battery continues to drain rapidly, as it might indicate a hardware issue requiring professional assistance.